How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are a new seller trying to sell your products on Facebook Marketplace, it's very simple to do so. You can try opening the Facebook app, and here you'll find the marketplace icon right at the top. Now in case you don't find it, you can tap the three lines option here, and in the all shortcuts tab you can tap on see more and look for the marketplace icon somewhere over here, which most likely you'll find it. Once you do that, here you can see a list of products that other people have added and that they want to sell. If you also want to begin selling on Facebook Marketplace, you'll find the sell option. But before that, if I show you my profile, you can see I am also a seller, and then I have also sold some of the products through my Facebook Marketplace, actually a lot of the products right from Facebook Marketplace as well. Now if you want to sell it, you can just tap the sell option here. You can choose whether you're selling an item, a vehicle, or a property for sale or rent. Depending upon whatever item you're offering, you can just select that option, and now you can just choose a description. You can choose to add a photo for that particular product if you'd like, and after you've done that, you can enter the title, price, category, condition, description, location, tags, and so on. You can also offer a delivery. If you do the delivery, you can select public meetup, door pickup, door drop-off, whatever else you prefer here. You can also choose to hide from your friends if you're really embarrassed not to let your friends know that you're selling some type of things. Once done, you can tap the next option for all the instructions. Your marketplace listing will go live and people will be able to respond to you, so make sure you respond to the messages as well. So hope this video helped you. This was just a brief introduction. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.